Bienvenidos! Welcome! Hi, I'm Melissa Alvarado, and this is your June Arts 101 event calendar, brought to you by Out and About Magazine and CMAP. First up, the Gilroy Interim Center for the Arts presents The Art of Our Mothers and Fathers, a mixture of artwork presented by local residents. This art exhibit will begin May 28th and will continue through June 30th, and will be held on Tuesdays and Wednesdays from 2 to 6 p.m. For more information, please call 408-842-6999. Next, the United States Air Force Band of the Golden West Jazz Ensemble presents The Commanders, a free concert of classic band jazz music. This thrilling 20-piece band performs for audiences throughout the West Coast, with music ranging from sounds of the 1940s to more contemporary sounds. This event will be held at the Morgan Hill Community and Cultural Center on June 19th at 6:30 p.m. For more information, please call 408-310-4277. And the Gilroy Interim Center for the Arts in Gilroy presents Artist Salon every Tuesday night from 7 to 9 p.m. Come meet and greet other artists and supporters. This event is free, and for more information, please contact the Gilroy Interim Center for the Arts. And beginning June 18th through September 17th, the Morgan Hill Downtown Association presents Outdoor Movie Night every third Saturday of the month at the Morgan Hill Community and Cultural Center Amphitheater at 7 p.m. For more information, please visit www.morganhilldowntown.org. On June 5th is the Spice of Life Festival and Farmers Market Kickoff Celebration. The festival will feature produce, arts, crafts, and music. This event will be fun for all ages and will be located next to the Center for the Arts in Gilroy. Next, Booksmart in Morgan Hill presents Art Camp for Kids. The art camp will include a week of creativity with a curriculum based on art instruction. The camp will be held June 13th through the 17th from 10 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. For more information, please call Booksmart at 408-778-6467. And on June 18th and 19th, the Santa Cruz County Fairgrounds presents the Scottish Renaissance Festival. The festival will feature Celtic music, sword fighting, art, crafts, theater, comedy, bagpipe competition, Celtic critters, magic fairies, stories, dancing, unique food, and much more. For more information on this exciting festival, be sure to visit www.scottishrenaissancefestival.org. Next, the Centennial Recreation Center in Morgan Hill presents a teen talent show. This event is free and will be held in the Teen Center. For more information, please visit www.mhcrc.com. Also, at the Centennial Recreation Center in Morgan Hill is the Teen Recycle Art Project. Come join community youth in creating unique art using only recyclable materials. This event will be held on June 28th in the Teen Center. For more information, please visit www.mhcrc.com. Be sure to check out some of these fabulous art festivities in your local community as we commence into the summer days. This has been your June Arts 101 calendar. If you would like to add something to the July calendar, please email info@outandaboutmagazine.com. I'm Melissa Alvarado. Thank you, and remember, have an art-filled month.